Hi, first grade. Let's start with that word flash. Remember, you read it with me, and then we do it on our own 2 more times from the beginning. Here we go. About, by, car, could, don't, maybe, sure, there, first, food, ground, night, sometimes, these, under, your, done, great, laugh, paper, soon, talk, were, work, door, mother, more, old, try, use, want, better, night, pretty, saw, thought, told, turned, window, baby, begins, ate, follow, leaving, until, years, young, again, along, began, boy, father, house, nothing, together. All right, and that is it. So you go back to the beginning and you read it yourself. You can read it with me with the volume on, but you should be trying at least maybe with that last one since it's getting towards the end of the school year, that you should be turning off the volume and reading it yourself. Try it. Stumble, struggle. The struggle is real. It's okay. We're not learning if we're not struggling, okay? Otherwise, everything's easy. Then we're not growing. Struggle. Struggle a little bit. Struggle is not a bad thing, my friend. Now, we're going to think about something else. We are going to go over to our smart notebook pages and we're going to start thinking about syllables. Syllables are how we divide vowel chunks of words. Some syllables have one syllable and some have more. So, for instance, I always like to start with our names. So, my name is Leela. Okay, that you know my name is Leela. It's not appropriate for you to call me Leela because I'm your teacher. So, you should be calling me Mrs. Schweitzer. But my name is Leela, and if I had to pound out my name, I would go like this: Leela, Leela. How many fingers do I have up? Yeah, that's how it's divided in syllables. Lee, you can hear the long E. La, You can hear that A. That's kind of what we call a schwa. It doesn't really sound like a or a, so I have a schwa at the end of my name. Leela. That's 2 syllables. It's not the sounds. It's not l. That's 4 sounds. No, I pound it out. I'm talking about syllables. L, Leela. All right. So, friends, one thing that we can do to figure out how to decode words is by dividing them into syllables and then attacking them, because you guys are going to be reading bigger and bigger and harder words, and you don't have to be afraid of them because they're just words. Nothing's going to happen, right? So you're going to try it, and then if you can look for the chunks of vowels in it. So for this one, it says if you see a long word you don't recognize right away, you can try to break it into syllables. Syllables are often divided between 2 consonants. Remember, consonants are the blue letters that we learned about this school year and that we always are coding. So instead of saying, oh, this is a big word, and some of you probably know this already, but I can say, oh, here is my vowel. So in my mind, I'm saying this is, okay? So I can think about this. This is yellow. So this is divided into 2 syllables. Here's one, and here's the other. Watch, we can pound it out. Yellow. Some of us like to do it like this, and we like to clap it out. Yellow. How many times did I clap? Yellow. I like to do the pounding out because that's what we learned in Tools of the Mind. And we also, when we put the fingers up, we have our answer right there instead of saying yellow, and then I have to remember how many times I clapped. Right? Everyone's different, and different is good, whichever works for you. So each syllable must have a vowel sound. Must. That is crucial. That's important. So let's think about this. This is pill. This gets divided here. Pillow. I guess you know this one already. You can see this little part right here. You probably said this and said it. So I can figure this out. Rabbit. Rabbit. Now, the next one doesn't have the same consonants. See this? This is double consonants, LL, LL, BB. Now, this one is different, and different is, yes, different is good. So we're going to move this. So this, we're going to divide in between here because I can see that this is a consonant, vowel, consonant. So I know that I can divide it there. So it's B, L, et, velvet, velvet. All right. So dividing with syllable patterns. We're going to do that. So we're going to try. It says, what vowel sounds do you hear? Blank vowel sounds means that this word has how many syllables? So if you hear the vowel sounds, you're like, that is a syllable. So this one is picnic. So I hear it here, it, and I hear it here. So that's one syllable, two syllable, and I can divide it right here. Let's try it together. Here we go. Fellow, fellow, fellow. That's two syllables. Bookshop, 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 right? So we can divide those, right? Bookshop. Basket, basket, basket. Two syllables. Sister. Oh, I went a little too far. Sister, right? Sister, sister. Two syllables. Once we master this, it's kind of easy. We start adding on. You can do this. Window, window, right? Window, window. So this is what eh, and this is an O. I hear the vowel sounds. How many vowel sounds you hear is how many syllables it is. Window, window. So this is turn. I only hear So that's only one. Some kids want to go to earn, right? They want to hear all those sounds and they say it's three. It's nope, it's one. Hook. How many vowel sounds do I hear? Not all the sounds. I don't say hook. Three. I just want to know how many vowel sounds do I hear? Hook. I hear right? So that's one vowel. Shirt. I just hear that R control vowel. That's one. Then we're at rabbit. I hear the a and I hear the it. So and it, that's two. Rabbit, rabbit. Insect, insect. Two. I hear the I and I hear the eh. Two syllables. Now I want you to read all of these. So pause the screen. Press pause and read them. Good. You should have said, my sister and I made batter for pancakes. Do you like summer or the snow and winter? Yellow. I will use yellow paint. Summer. It is much hotter in summer. We did a lot of work with those syllables today. Today in grammar, not your grandma, in grammar, when we're studying about our English language in writing and parts of speech, we are learning more about subject pronouns. Subjects are parts of sentences that tell who or what the sentence is about. So who or what the sentence is about gets replaced with the pronoun so that we're not redundant, meaning that we're repeating ourselves over and over again. So we like to have our words and our sentences interesting. So the pronouns mine, yours, his, and hers show that something belongs to someone. All right. So it's showing possession, that it belongs to you. And remember, with pronouns, we always have to be careful. We can't assume that everybody has the same pronouns as me because I identify as a female. I identify as a her. All right. And when I talk about myself, it's mine. So the pronouns mine, yours, his, and hers also show that something belongs to someone. This kind of pronoun often comes at the end of a sentence. This dog is mine. So whose dog is it? Mine. So that's my possessive pronoun. Write the correct pronoun, finish each sentence. So we're just going to circle it. Remember, this is my copy. You don't have it. It says projectable. Is that puppy your or is that puppy yours? Boom, you got it. We just know what sounds right. This bull is he or this bull is his? Absolutely, his. Those toys are mine or those toys are mine? You know it. You can hear it, can't you? It sounds correct when you hear the right one. This ball is her or this ball is hers. Yep, we need that S on there. That whistle was mine, or that whistle was my. Yep, it was mine. You will know that this practice will help you with the page that you have to do for grammar page 112. It's in your packet, complete lesson. Oh, I think I have the wrong date number in there. It's not lesson 22. That was last week. Lesson 23. And it's page 112, and read mini book Good Homes. You need to be reading that story every night. Whistle for Willie, which is a great one. I love it. So you need to be reading that. You should be practicing your spelling words that you have for that we assign on Monday. You have those in that packet on that first page. And you should also be reading your mini book. If you're not reading, you're not growing. You have to be reading in first grade. If it's tough, that's good because you're struggling. Struggling means you're trying something new. And it will get easier, but guess what? Then you'll advance and then you'll be reading second grade words. Okay? Hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.